So there are a lot of places in the house that we actually have to use safety glass.
Well, building code has some requirements. The height off of the floor, for example, anywhere within 2 feet of a door, or any area that you can slip and fall, like a bathtub, you could slip and fall into that window. It has to be safety or tempered glass.
And the whole idea is that it's going to save you from injury. Safety glass, it'll break, but it'll be little shards, and hopefully you won't get cut bad.
Right.
Whereas plate glass will be these giant shards, and you can really do a lot of damage.
Oh yeah. Well, let me show you the difference of what happens here.
Are we going to break these?
We certainly are.
I was hoping you were going to say that.
Now this is a piece of regular glass right here, plate glass. And let's see what happens when I hit it with a hammer.
I'm right behind you.
All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, broken. That is a broken window.
Yeah, and you notice it broke in big pieces. And there's even large pieces left in here. So if you fall through this glass, you could do some major damage, even coming back. All right, so now let's see what happens when we break the safety glass.
Let's.
Are you ready?
I am.
1, 2, 3. All right, now that's the first pane on a double pane window. Let's see what happens when I hit the next one. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah. So they both break, but with the safety glass, we actually get little shards, and with the plate glass, we get these kind of deadly shards right here. So this will do a lot of damage, and a lot less damage than this.
Absolutely.
That really makes the point, Tommy.
Sure does.
Nice.